Today, my secret to the perfect pancake. So guys, let's do it. So today I'm going to show you my little secret to make the perfect pancakes. Very simple, but you will not believe the difference. My pancakes are the best I've ever tried. The first step, we're going to want a large mixing bowl. Also some digital scales. And you want to start by weighing out 100 grams plain flour. Pop the flour into the bowl, and for 100 grams of flour, we want 300 milliliters of milk. Use full fat whole milk, and you want to incorporate it slowly to try and keep the batter nice and smooth. Add a tiny pinch of salt, and as you slowly incorporate the milk, whisk away until you've added the full 300 milliliters. And then my secret ingredient for the most amazing pancakes. We want some cream. Add about 4 or 5 tablespoons of your cream. Continue to whisk, and lastly, we want 2 whole eggs. So crack in your eggs, whisk away for a few moments until the batter is as smooth as you can get it. Then take another bowl and a sieve, and you want to pass the batter through a sieve just to make sure it is beautiful, silky and smooth. Pop the batter back in the bowl, and now we're ready to go. So you want to pop a frying pan on the hob, pop the heat on medium, best to use non-stick, and remember the pancake will be as big as the pan. So chuck in a knob of butter, and as soon as the butter is melted and lightly foaming, you want to pour in enough batter to cover the bottom of the pan. Leave it for a few moments, gently tease the sides of the pancake with a spatula, and as soon as you start to see a few little bubbles, gently lift up the side of the pancake, have a look, and you can start to gently shake the pan, and as soon as you're getting some nice light colour on one side of the pancake, gently turn it out onto a plate and turn it over into the pan to cook the other side. Or, of course, you can flip it, that is up to you. Give it a few moments on the other side, gently shake the pan, and after a minute or two, turn up the side, and we want it to be evenly cooked on both sides. So as soon as you're getting a light bit of browning, we're good to go. So lay your pancake out onto a plate, and this really is the most delicious, indulgent pancake. The cream makes all the difference. So all that's left to do is to get stuck in, give it a try, and I'll see you next time.